Right, so we've got the latest generation Jaguar I-Pace in with us today, which have been doing a number of upgrades on this particular vehicle. So I thought it was a good time just to go through a few things. So we've fitted the latest generation Blackvue 970X box, which is the more concealed unit rather than having the larger camera up in the rear view mirror. It's got two smaller units, and then there's a hidden box which basically contains obviously the SD card and everything else. So if somebody does actually decide to break into the vehicle and whip the cameras out of the car, then they're not going to be able to get hold of the actual footage that's saved on to the actual camera itself, which it's another sort of securityed version of the Blackvue range rather than just the conventional one. So I'll just quickly just show you what we've done on this particular one. So this is the box camera, which is just there, and then obviously we've concealed the cabling so it's all hidden away there. And then in this particular one we've got a hidden under area, so we've added the battery pack as well to give further recording time rather than utilising the actual car battery. And then the actual box device is situated just there, sort of out of the way. And then I'll just show you on the front one. And then inside here we've got the front one, which is basically hidden just there. So it's a lot smaller than the normal conventional ones. You also aren't able to unplug the camera, so if it does go into the dealer, then there's no way they can actually unplug the camera and stop it working, which we find happens quite a lot. And then also on this particular one we have retrofitted the ClearSight. So this is a full upgrade that we can offer here at TTW Installations. So it comprises of a brand new rear view mirror with now the full screen. You can obviously just have it back to the conventional one, which is there. We have to physically code this to the vehicle, which we do with the official JLR software. And then also we install a new shark fin, which has obviously got the ClearSight camera included in it. So if your I-Pace has come without ClearSight, then don't worry, we can install this for you to factory specification, and then gives you obviously further vision for the rear while driving and parking. So if you'd like any of these upgrades doing on your Jaguar I-Pace, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations.